Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Lightroom Classic CC also includes a radial filter tool. Similar to the graduated filter tool and the adjustment brush tool, the radial filter tool lets you apply visual adjustments to only part of a photo. While the graduated filter applies changes along a vertical or horizontal gradient and the adjustment brush applies changes to specific areas of a photo, the radial filter applies changes in a circular or oval manner. To use the radial filter tool, display the selected photo in the Develop module. Then click to select the radial filter tool from the tool strip. The tool drawer expands to display options similar to those seen in the graduated filter and adjustment brush tool drawers, and the mouse pointer becomes a crosshair tool when held over the image. You can select an effect from the Effect drop-down menu or modify the sliders to get the effect you want. The Feather slider lets you control the softness of the effect's edges. You'll also notice an Invert checkbox option under the Feather slider. This option lets you determine whether the adjustments to the photo happen inside or outside of the marquee area. After making adjustments in the tool drawer, click and drag an elliptical shape over the selected area of the photo. If you want the affected area to be a perfect circle, simply hold down the Shift key on your keyboard while dragging to define the area. When you release the mouse button after dragging, a pin appears at the initial spot you click and a marquee shows the area that will be affected by or excluded from the image adjustment. You can click and drag the pin to move the marquee. You can also change the size of the marquee by hovering your mouse pointer over one of the filter handles on the marquee. When the pointer changes into a double-pointed arrow, you can click and drag to change the size of the marquee. To preserve the aspect ratio of the adjustment while you are changing its size, you can press and hold the Shift key while you're resizing. If you see the adjustments affecting the opposite part of the photo than you intended, simply check the Invert checkbox option in the tool drawer. You can also make other changes within the tool drawer to fine-tune your image adjustment. When you achieve the effect you want, simply click the Done button in the toolbar. If you don't like your results, you can click the Reset button at the bottom of the tool drawer. However, note that clicking the Reset button at the bottom of the panel group removes all changes made to the photo in Lightroom Classic CC, not just the radial filter effects.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.